Welcome to physics classes. Today our subject is physics, topic heat. This is the second part of science GK quiz. Already we discussed till question number 20. From today we start from question number 21. Question number 21 is the temperature of the sun is measured with a platinum thermometer, B pyrometer, C gas thermometer, D vapor pressure thermometer. Right answer of question number 21 is option B pyrometer. Next question is question number 22. Fahrenheit scale divides two fixed points into option A 180 parts, B 212 parts, option C 100 parts, D 32 parts. Right answer of question number 22 is A 180 parts. Next question is question number 23. The normal temperature of human body is A 37 degree Celsius, B 37 degree Fahrenheit, C 104 degree Fahrenheit, D 36.8 degree Celsius. Right answer of question number 23 is A 37 degree Celsius. Next question number 24. A non-voltaic solid is added to water. Its boiling point will A decreases, B increases, C no change, D no option is correct. When we add few non-voltaic solid into the water, any impurity into the water, then its boiling point always increases. So question number 24 right answer is option B increases. Next question is question number 25. In which mode of transmission the heat waves travel along straight line with the speed of light? A natural convection, B thermal radiation, C forced convection, D thermal conduction. Right answer of question 25 is B thermal radiation. Next question is question number 26. When an object is heated, the molecules of that object A began to move faster, B lose energy, C become heavier, D become lighter. Right answer of question 26 is A began to move faster. Next question is question number 27. Two blocks of lead, one twice as heavy as the other, are at 50 degree Celsius. The ratio of heat content of the heavier block to that of the lighter block is option A 0.5, B 1, C 2, D 4. Here right answer is 27, option C 2. Next question is question number 28. The quantity of heat required to change the temperature of 1 kg of substance by 1 degree Celsius is called its A specific heat, B the total energy, C the latent heat, D heat of fusion. Right answer of question number 28 is A specific heat. Specific heat is amount of the heat required to change the temperature 1 degree Celsius of 1 kg masses. Next question is question number 29. A change of 10 degree Celsius in centigrade scale corresponds to what change in Fahrenheit scale? A 18 degree Fahrenheit, B 21 degree Fahrenheit, C 10 degree Fahrenheit, D 15 degree Fahrenheit. In that question, we have to find out 10 degree Celsius change is equals to how much change in Fahrenheit scale. How to solve that question? The easiest trick to solve that question is Celsius value of the Celsius scale into it is 9/5. So value of the Celsius scale is 10 into 9/5. So it is equals to 18 degree Fahrenheit. Option A, 18 degree Fahrenheit is the right answer. Next question is question number 30. At 0K, the velocity of molecule is A0, B infinity, C very large, D of any value. Right answer of question number 30 is A0. Next question is 31. The unit of coefficient of linear expansion is A meter, B per degree Celsius, C meter per degree Celsius, D degree Celsius. Right answer of question 31 is B per degree Celsius. Next question is question 32. Coefficient of the linear expansion always dash with increase in temperature. A increase, B decrease, C remains constant, D double itself. Right answer of question 32 is C remain constant. Next question is choose the correct statement. A alpha is to beta is to gamma, which is 1 is to 3 is to 2. B alpha is to beta is to gamma, which is 3 is to 2 is to 1. C alpha is to beta is to gamma, which is 2 is to 3 is to 1. D alpha is to beta is to gamma, which is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Right answer of question 33 is D alpha beta gamma, which is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Next question is question number 34. A graph is plotted taking degree Celsius along y-axis and here it is pressure and pressure along the x-axis. It is a dash, parabola, straight line, C ellipse, D circle. Temperature and pressure, the graph between temperature and pressure, it is always option B is the correct answer, straight line. Next question is question number 35. A circular disc of copper has a symmetrical hole at its center. The disc is uniformly heated. The diameter of the hole will A increase, B decrease, C remain the same, D none of those. Right answer is A increase. Next question is 36. If the temperature scale is changed from Celsius to Fahrenheit, the numerical value of the specific heat will A increase, B decrease, C remain unchanged, D nothing can be saved. The value of the specific heat, which is equals to energy by mass into temperature. When temperature scale is changed from 0 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, then it will be decreases because the value of the temperature will increases. That's why numerical value of the specific heat will be decreases. So option B is the right answer, 36. Option B is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following substance has greatest specific heat? A. Iron, B. Water, C. Copper, D. Mercury. Right answer is option B, water. Next question is question 38. When temperature is gradually decreases, the specific heat of substance is A. Decreased, B. Increased, C. Remain unchanged, D. None of those. Right answer of question 38 is A. Decreased. When temperature increase, then specific heat also decrease, because specific heat is equals to energy divided by mass into temperature. So if temperature increases, then its specific heat also decreases. When lakes start breaching, the formation of ice will start first at the bottom, B. middle, C. top, D. none of these. Right answer of the question 39, option C, top. Next question is question number 40. Glaciers always melt at the dash first. A. top surface, B. sides, C. bottom, D. middle surface. Right answer of question number 40 is C. bottom. Next question is question number 41. The unit of latent heat is calorigram, calorie per degree Celsius, calorie per gram, none of these. Latent heat means it is temperature divided by mass. Temperature divided by mass. So option C is the right answer here. 40 C is the right answer. Calorie divided by gram. Next question is question number 42. If the thermal capacity of a body is infinity, then A. heat can never be added to it, B. heat can never be extracted from it, C. the temperature of the body cannot be altered by adding or extracting any amount of heat. Option D. it has infinite amount of heat. Right answer of question 42 is C. the temperature of the body cannot be altered by adding or extracting any amount of heat. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.